welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making La Madeleine's or La Madeleine's famous strawberries Romanoff. If you've ever gone to this French cafe, fast cafe, you'll know what I am talking about. They give you a bowl of strawberries with this delicious sweet cream on top. We're going to be making that cream today. I've got the strawberries ready to go. I was inspired by this song. It's put a spell on me because it's so good. Oh yeah, this is going to be good. Sour cream, brown sugar, I'm using light. Vanilla or brandy. Mix together. Heavy cream. Start to whip it and add some sugar in slowly. It should form soft peaks. Fold the cream into your sour cream mixture. Look at this strawberries Romanoff. Yum. All right, let's taste the cream by itself. It's thick, it's holding up. This is delicious. And you know what? This tastes exactly like the one at La Madeleine. Let's try it with some strawberry. All right, here we go. This is utterly delicious. It is an exact copycat of that recipe. So easy to make. I think it took like, 5 minutes. Delicious. You can refrigerate it if you have any left over, but something tells me you might not. If I can make strawberries Romanoff for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram and TikTok for so much more.